Okay, so first of all, here is the new keyword research tool that's just popped up. I've just got a notification to say that it's been updated and it's been improved. And I can see straight away, yep, there's a few things here that are slightly different and it's looking slightly better. Hopefully we can get some useful information out of this. So this video is going to be a little bit of a first impressions. So first things first, the keyword research tool on Fiverr is especially for people that are subscribed to Seller Plus. Either standard or pro, you should have access to these tools here. Okay, so let's have a look at the keyword research tool now. Open it up. Straight away, it puts us in the logo design category, which is clearly the biggest category in the whole of Fiverr. So if we want to get into this space, which is something I've said in another video, I don't recommend because it is cutthroat and there's lots of people trying to sell logo design services. What you would do is come here and see if we can find an opportunity. We're going to click on show more. This is great. We now can see a whole lot more keywords than before. Now, overall rank reflects the overall performance of this keyword based on all the metrics. So it's taken into account the search volume, the average order price, the conversion rate, and the competition. So obviously the number one keyword to use is logo creation, because it takes into account that there is an incredibly high amount of searches for this. There is a decent average order, very high conversion, very high intent. But the negative here is the fact that it's high competition. You're going to find that in logo design anyway. But just out of interest, if you are someone that was interested in trying to do logo design, because, you know, this is what you want to do, we'd have a look at competition and we'd try and find a better opportunity here. So we can see here we've now set the keywords to low, so we can see what is more of a low competition. So there's less people offering these services here. Now, what would be the best combination would be a low competition with a high search volume, and we've found one here. Versatile logo. It's got a low competition, so not very many people looking for it. It's got high search volume, so a lot of people are searching for versatile logo, but it's got a low conversion rate. So that tells me that these people that are searching for a versatile logo, they don't have such a high intent when it comes to actually buying it. There could be many factors for that. I would probably say that that sounds like a keyword opportunity to me, and I would probably try it out on the basis that it's low competition, but there's a very high search volume. So your job would be to try and improve your own conversion rate by improving your thumbnails, your gig title, having a really compelling gig video, a really good portfolio that shows your skills and your work. And of course, a good pricing policy as well that just makes sense. Okay, so I've gone ahead and looked at landing page design here. Now, if you're someone that does graphics, does web design, or just understands how to create landing pages, then straight away we can see there's some great opportunities right here. If you are a user of system.io to create landing pages, there's a very high amount of people searching for this service. It has a medium conversion rate as well, and it has low competition. The only thing that strikes me, though, is that the average order value seems pretty low, but there's not a lot of data to go off here. Let's keep moving on here. So, social media design. I actually think this is going to be a really good category for graphic designers to find an opportunity for a service to sell. So, again, we've got it set to overall rank, and we can see there's a lot of high competition stuff here. Now, I just want to make this clear for a moment. High competition isn't necessarily a bad thing. It just means that it's a bit harder for you to stand out and maybe get your first few orders in. I take the position that high competition isn't a bad thing if you are confident that you know how to stand out and separate yourself from the rest of the competition. If you are really confident in your abilities in creating good quality work and you can package it and present it in a way that really stands out compared to other people in the same niche, then go ahead. There's no problem with you jumping in and trying to sell a product in a high competition niche. It's not a problem. But if you're trying to increase your chances to get sales, you're better off trying to find opportunities where there is low competition with a high search volume and a high conversion rate, and ideally a nice high average order price too. So let's see what we can find here. So we can split things up by the subcategory. So we went graphic design, social media design, and then we've got a few more here. I have a feeling thumbnail design is going to be a really good one. So we're going to have a look here. So obviously if you just use the word thumbnail, it's good, but everything's high. Roblox thumbnail, high and high, but with medium competition, so that's already better. Same with Minecraft thumbnail. If you're creating gaming thumbnails here, you've got very high search volume, a high conversion rate, but low competition. So any thumbnail designers watching this right now, you better go ahead and create a gig. Minecraft thumbnails. Same in the next game below, Valorant. Let's have a look at the competition. We've got it now ordered by which ones are low. So let's have a look at a low competition with a high. There's Minecraft again. Okay, low competition with medium. Anime thumbnail, miniature YouTube. Attractive, catchy thumbnail. It's not high intent. Best YouTube thumbnails design. Rust thumbnail. Okay. So really, when it comes to thumbnail design, it looks like gaming seems to be very, very high in demand. Right, what else are people interested in? I know. Voiceover, of course. Let's have a look at voiceover here. Okay, so lots of high searches here. Lots of high competition as well. By the way, guys, if you are not subscribed to Fiverr Seller Plus and you are getting some benefit out of all of these keywords that I'm showing to you for free, then I think that deserves giving a like to this video. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Back to it. Voiceover is a pretty competitive one, to be honest. Let's change it to competition again. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at all the low competition ones. Anime voice acting, low search volume, low competition, medium conversion rate, not safe for work voice. Guided meditation looks okay. I mean, it says it's got low search volume, a medium conversion rate, but low competition. So you could, I would say that sounds like it could be an opportunity, at least just to have a gig set off to the side. It has low search volume, but those people that do search, apparently it's got medium conversion rate. So if you do a good job of demonstrating your skills as a guided meditation voiceover artist, then there's very low competition. And you could present the perfect opportunity for someone looking for that kind of service if you just create this gig. It'll be very, very easy for you to stand out compared to anyone else because it has low competition. Okay, audiobook isn't bad at all. It's got high search volume with low competition. That's what we like to see. However, it does have a low conversion rate. So again, that's your job to try your best to optimize everything to convert people once they do actually land on your gig. Okay, now let's have a look at some high conversion rate stuff, because that's really what's important here. We want services that people are more likely to actually purchase and go through with it. Great opportunity here for guys in Japan or people that speak Japanese. You've got high conversion rate Japanese voiceovers with medium competition. Same with people that have an Australian accent as well. Again, medium competition, high search volume and a high conversion rate. So you Aussie guys, start making some gigs. And again, same down here with the Dutch. Medium competition. Great. Let's do one more. Let's have a look here at another category that I often talk about, and that is writing. Let's have a look at script writing. So script writing is a popular one for people in my category because obviously we make videos. I sell scripts as well as the video presenting and the video editing. So I like to keep an eye on how the script writing category is going, the competition and things like that. So if we take a look here, YouTube scriptwriter right away, we've got medium competition, a high conversion rate and a high volume of search. I've actually recommended some people I know create YouTube scriptwriter gigs, and they are doing quite well. I personally am a buyer of YouTube scriptwriting gigs myself. Same with just video script writing. Might have a low search volume, but high conversion, high competition. Okay, fair enough on that one. Yep, YouTube scriptwriter, again, low competition, high conversion rate, YouTube script, same again there. So if you're going to create a gig selling YouTube scripts, then you bet one of the best things you should be doing is YouTube scriptwriter, YouTube scriptwriter is one word, YouTube script, and YouTube video script writer if it allows you to put that many words in. Okay, so there you go. That was just a super quick first impressions of the new Fiverr keyword research tool, which is available to Seller Plus members only. If you're interested in joining Seller Plus, there's a link in the description below for you to join. Again, this should be available for everyone, whether you join on the standard or the premium Seller Plus plan. If you're not already a Seller Plus member, there's a whole host of other benefits to it as well. So have a look through the landing page on the Seller Plus program, read through all the benefits, sign up to it, and yeah, start using this keyword research tool to start adding some better keywords into your gigs so you can get found and increase your conversion rate and make more money and get more orders. That's what we're all here for, right? Hope you enjoy the more casual approach to the video. And yep, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. See you later.